Hello everyone, this is Ning from Lens Lab Polimi. I will show you how to use a Miro-based version of the Concept Description Form. Before we start, make sure you already have a Miro account. Then you can go to the Miroverse, search Lens Lab Polimi, and choose the tool. On the tool page, you can click Use Template to build a new board in your account, or click the arrow to put the template in a previous board you have made before. Let's start. The tool aims to finalize the description and characterization of a new concept of S.PSS, applied to DE. It consists of your concept title, satisfaction unit, concept description, and concept profiling. Our tutorial will be here below the basic information of this tool. You can come back and check if you forgot something. Using this tool is easy. By clicking the arrow on the top right corner of this button, you will be quickly navigated to the tool template. You can write down your concept by clicking the text box. If you need to learn how to write, here are the writing guide and a sample to help you get some inspiration. On the right, you can write down to describe or use the labels you made before. Isn't it easy and interesting? I hope our new tool version can help you create a better S.PSS. To know more about the tool, you can check www.lenslab.polimi.it. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please contact us through the email addresses shown on the screen. We will be super happy to hear your voice. See you in the next video. Ciao.